Okay, so a 5-year-old child enters your dental clinic. The moment he sees the dental chair, he starts crying loudly and refuses to sit. So what will you do? Will you immediately give sedation? Will you force the child, or is there a simple technique that can calm the child without any medicine? So your answer is tender loving care, which is also called TLC. So today we will learn this important periodontic topic in a very easy way with example and diagram explanation. So let's start. So first let's understand the meaning, that is the TLC. So here TLC stands for the tender loving care. So it is a non-pharmacological behavior guidance technique which is used to establish a positive relationship with a child using the kindness, patience, warm communication and gentle physical and emotional support. So here it means TLC is a non-pharmacological behavior guidance technique in which the dentist uses kindness, patience, warm communication and gentle support to reduce the fear and gain the child cooperation. So for example, let's suppose a 6-year-old child is scared of getting a filling. So instead of saying don't cry, sit properly, the dentist smile and say, hello Arav, today we are just going to count your teeth, so you will do great. So immediately the child become more relaxed, and this is the TLC. Okay. So in this slide you can see there is a picture of the smiling dentist which is giving a thumbs up to the child. So this picture shows that before treating the tooth, the dentist first builds the trust. The dentist behavior is a treatment here, not any medicine. So remember here, good behavior from the dentist means good behavior from the child. Okay. Now question for you, can anyone tell me, is TLC a pharmacological or a non-pharmacological technique? Yes, the correct answer is non-pharmacological behavior guidance technique. Okay. So now let's understand why we use TLC. So there are the 4 main purposes. So first one is build trust. Okay. So here the child should believe that the dentist is friendly. Without trust, the treatment becomes difficult. Second one is that is a reduced anxiety and fear. So many children fear injection, drills and dental instrument. So here the TLC help reduce this fear. Third one is that is improve the child cooperation. So when the child is relaxed, they open their mouth easily and follow instruction. So here the treatment become faster and easier. Fourth one is create a positive dental attitude. So here the child enjoy the dental visit and is more likely to return happily in the future. Okay. So this picture show a dentist which is talking gently to a smiley child which is holding a teddy bear. So the teddy bear represent the emotional support. The smiley face show that the child trusts the dentist. So this is exactly what TLC aim to achieve. Okay. Now, why does a child carry a teddy bear to the dental clinic? So option A, decoration. Option B, emotional comfort. So what is the correct answer? That is a emotional comfort. Okay. So now let's discuss the most important exam point, that is the key component of the TLC. So first one is warm tone. So always speak softly. Don't say like open your mouth. You have to say, can you open your mouth like a lion? So here the children responds better to the gentle words. Now the second one is like smile and friendly behavior. So here a smiley dentist looks safe. So children trust smiley faces. Okay. Third one is eye contact. So talk at the child eye level instead of standing over them. So this show the respect and the empathy. Now the fourth one is call the child by the name. So instead of saying, hey little boy, say hello Ria. The child feels special and connected. Now the fifth one is encourage and the praise. So whenever the child is cooperate, so praise them. For example, like excellent, you are such a brave patient. So positive reinforcement increase the cooperation. Now the sixth one is gentle touch. So a gentle hand on the shoulder can reassure the child. So this should always be appropriate and comforting. Now the seventh one is used of the euphemism. So instead of frightening word, use the child friendly words. For example, like for injection you can tell sleepy water. For scaler you can tell tooth tickler. For suction, you can call this is a vacuum cleaner. So these words makes the child less anxious. Okay. Now the small pictures on the slide represent the different TLC behavior. So this smiley face represent the smile and the friendly behavior. This gift show that that is the encouragement and the reward. Teddy bear here represent the emotional comfort, and child and adult here it show the caring relationship between the dentist, child and the parent. Okay. Now, clinical example, like imagine two dentists. Dentist A say, sit down, don't move. So here the child start crying. Now dentist B say, wow, I heard you are very brave. Shall we count your superhero teeth? So here the child smile. So which dentist use TLC? Yes, the correct answer is dentist B. Now, when is TLC used? So it is mainly used in first dental visit. Now, in managing the fearful and anxious children and children with a mild special healthcare needs. Okay. For example, a child comes to the dental clinic for the first time. No treatment is done. The dentist only introduces the chair, mirror and light. So this first positive experience build trust. Okay. Now we see the advantages of the TLC. So here, why do dentists prefer TLC? So because it is a simple and universally applicable. Second one is there is no side effect, or you can say no extra cost. Third one is it builds the long-term trust, and next one is it encourages the future cooperation. Okay, so this handshake image represents the trust between the dentist and the child. So a successful handshake means the child is comfortable, cooperative, and willing to return for future dental visit. Okay. Now exam revision. So before we finish, answer this question. What does TLC stand for? Is it a pharmacological or non-pharmacological? Name 4 components of TLC. And why are euphemisms used? Mention the 2 advantages of the TLC. If you answer these, you are well prepared for the BDS university exam. So TLC is not just a behavior management technique, it helps create a positive lifelong attitude towards the dental healthcare. So if this lecture helped you, like the video, subscribe to Exam Prepare Dentistry and share with your BDS friends.